Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send large files in Gmail. If you've ever tried attaching a massive file only to hit Gmail's size limit, this method will solve that problem by using Google Drive to share your files seamlessly. First, open your web browser and type mail.google.com into the address bar. This takes you straight to Gmail's homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your Gmail credentials to access your inbox and Compose features. Once you're in, click the Compose button to start drafting a new email. This opens up the Compose window where you'll write your message and attach your large file. Now, here's where things get interesting. Instead of using the standard attachment icon, look for the Google Drive icon at the bottom of the Compose window. It looks like a small triangle and is specifically designed for sending larger files that exceed Gmail's direct attachment limit. When you click the Google Drive icon, you'll see your Drive files appear. If your large file isn't already uploaded to Google Drive, don't worry. You'll need to upload it first by opening Google Drive in a new tab, clicking New, and selecting File Upload. Choose your file from your computer and wait for the upload to complete. This step ensures your file is stored in the cloud and ready to be shared. Back in your Gmail Compose window, after clicking the Drive icon, select the file you want to send from your Google Drive storage. Gmail will then give you the option to insert as Drive link, which is the default method for large files. This creates a shareable link rather than attaching the entire file directly. Click Insert to add the link to your email. Now finish composing your email by adding your recipient's email address and writing your message. Once everything looks good, click Send. Here's an important detail. Gmail may prompt you to adjust sharing permissions to ensure your recipient can actually view the file. Make sure you grant access when prompted, otherwise your recipient might not be able to open the link. It's worth noting that if you accidentally try to attach a file that's too large directly, Gmail will automatically warn you and suggest sending it via Google Drive instead. This built-in feature makes the entire process foolproof and ensures your large files always reach their destination without hassle. Thanks for watching.